Hey people, so we are at this cute little place called Aubury, the bake shop, and they have this cute offer, like they have daily offers I guess. So get flat 40% off on buying Nutella cheesecake. So something that was worth 200, I got it for 120. And this seems like a very nice place in terms of like, see, this Russian meadowick. It's a little known kind of pastry that's not seen often. So you find it here at Aubury, and we have some very helpful staff also. So of all the different places here in Forum Mall, I think this one cute little place is value for money. Like for instance, chocolate croissant is for 120, and then you have like these chicken puff also for 120, and this is really pocket friendly, and from a student perspective, highly recommended. So blueberry cheesecake. So Aubury it is, and this is in Forum Mall, Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.